Welcome. This video is brought to you by My Shoe Covers, reusable and washable booties for residential contractors with a grip you can count on. In this video we're going to talk about one of the most important parts of running a plumbing business, and that's knowing exactly what you need to charge, including paying yourself as the owner. We'll walk through a real example, break down the numbers, and show you how to calculate your true break-even rate and what you should be charging to actually make a profit. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to price your work the right way. Let's dive right in. One of the biggest mistakes plumbing business owners make is forgetting to include their own salary as part of the cost of doing business. Instead, they pay everyone else and hope there's something left over at the end. That's not profit, that's uncertainty. Your salary should be treated just like any other expense in your business. So, let's look at a realistic scenario. You're running a small plumbing company with 3 technicians and 1 office admin. Each technician is earning about $65,000 per year, which puts total technician wages at $195,000. Once you add payroll taxes and benefits, that number increases to about $234,000. Your office admin earns $45,000 per year. Now we include you, the owner. Let's say you're paying yourself a reasonable salary of $80,000 per year. That brings your total payroll to about $359,000. From there, we add your overhead. You're spending about $36,000 per year on rent and utilities. Your 3 trucks cost around $54,000 annually. Fuel and maintenance add another $30,000. Insurance comes in at $24,000. Software costs about $6,000. Tools and equipment run around $15,000. Marketing adds $24,000, and miscellaneous expenses come out to about $12,000. When you add everything together, your total annual cost to run this business, including paying yourself, is about $560,000. Now let's talk about how many hours you actually have to cover those costs. With 3 technicians working about 2,000 hours per year each, you have 6,000 total hours available, but in reality, you're not billing all of that time. Between travel, breaks, callbacks, and downtime, most companies only bill about 60% of their time. That means you're working with about 3,600 billable hours per year. Now we take the total cost, $560,000, and divide it by 3,600 hours. That puts your break-even rate at roughly $155 per hour. That's the number you have to hit just to cover your expenses and pay yourself. No profit, no growth, just breaking even. But a healthy business doesn't stop there. To grow and stay stable, you need to build in profit. Most successful plumbing companies aim for somewhere between 15% and 25% net profit. At a 15% profit margin, your business needs to generate about $644,000 in revenue. That means you should be charging around $179 per hour. At a 25% profit margin, you're looking at $700,000 in revenue, which brings your hourly rate to about $195 per hour. In the real world, contractors usually round up to stay safe, which is why many profitable plumbing companies charge between $180 and $210 per hour. The key takeaway is this: if your pricing doesn't include your salary, your overhead, and a profit margin, then you're undercharging. And if you're undercharging, you're not building a business. You're creating a job that may not even pay you properly. Know your numbers, include everything, and price your work with confidence. On behalf of the My Shoe Covers team, thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content designed to help contractors build stronger, more profitable businesses. And let us know in the comments, have you built your own salary into your pricing, or is it something you're going to fix after this?